So guys, what's up? This is Josh. Welcome. So guys, what's up? This is Josh, and look, it's Charlie. It's Charlie boy. It's Charlie boy. It's Charlie boy. Charlie boy. Oh, sweet boy, Charlie. Come on, come on, come, come, come. Kong, you want your Kong? Oh no, oh no, I'm being followed. I'm being followed. Okay, got the ball. Now, follow the ball. Okay, follow the ball. Follow the ball. Yeah! Oh! How do you do that, boy? How do you do that, Charlie? Oh. Yeah. Yo. Oh, sweet boy Charlie. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Puppy eyes. Oh. Yummy. Oh, yummy puppy, yummy puppy. What do you want? What do you want to play with, Charlie? Oh, you want this? You want this? You want this? You go get it, Char. You want it? Oh, your ball's in there. The ball was under. The ball was under there, guys. Yeah, this is Charlie. He's the sweetest dog of all time. Look at his tail. Little waggy tail. Hi. Hi. Yo yo yo. Yo yo yo. Come on. Oh, Charlie. Oh, Smiley. Oh, you want to get the ball? You want the ball? You want the ball? Oh no, this is my least favorite part. I mean, this is my favorite. Come on. Come on, you see the ball? Guys, Charlie's gonna pounce. And when he does it, it's so cute. Come on. The ball's right there. Oh, he just yawned. And licked himself. Come on. You want the ball? Here, have it. Have it your way. Get the ball. Oh. Oh, he didn't bounce. Oh, yawny puppy. Annie. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, Char? What are you looking at? He's tired out. Guys, bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Say bye. Ow!